Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3.
Let's start. First, open CapCut application. Go to New Project and add timer clip. Timer clip link is given on my description. And then add your photo or video. Now first delete the end part. Select Format 9:16. Adjust your photo to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now add animation. Tap on photo and then go to animation. Tap on in and apply rock vertically effect. Apply full duration. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.